So this is the KREO's latest 65% keyboard, and trust me, this one is actually different. It features a 64 key compact design, and just like every other KREO keyboard, it comes with that signature volume knob on the top of the corner. In left side you get some light indicators, but what really makes it premium is the gasket mounted structure and a dual layer sound damping foam which reduce vibrations for quieter and softer typing experience. And no, it doesn't come with those cheap or Temu switches. This one's rocking KREO's own pre-lubed linear switches that feel super smooth to type on. Plus it's 5-pin hot swappable, so you can upgrade it anytime. You also get double shot ABS keycaps with south facing RGB that shines right through the keys and can be fully customized by the KREO software. And you get a wide range of RGB effects in this keyboard. You can even remap keys, set macros, and yes, it's compatible with both Windows and macOS. Now this is the sound of mechanical keyboard without any sound absorption. And this is with this KREO's HIVE keyboard. So if you are into premium contact keyboards, links in the bio, go check it out.